Hello, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we are doing our craft for 10 Apples Up on Top by Dr. Seuss. This is the craft for the Thursday, September 17th story time, and we're going to take out our kit, and out of our kit we're going to need our paints, our paintbrush, and the cardstock template that looks like this. This template can be found on our website at www.appl.info/extra4.asp. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our apple colored paints to paint 10 apples up on top on each of our friends here, or however many apples you'd like to do. I'm going to start, of course, by putting my name at the top of my paper so that when I'm finished we can hang it up proudly on the refrigerator or somewhere in the house and enjoy the artwork that we've made. So I'm going to use my plastic baggie as a drop cloth kind of, but if you have some paper towels, that's a good idea of a thing to have around to help keep things from getting too messy. You might also want to have a cup with water so that you can rinse your brush between colors. I am going to keep my apples very simple and just do a big old circle for each one. So this friend, I believe this is our tiger friend, he's gonna have green apples. If you want, you can change the color of the apples on each animal, or you can put a mixture of the colors on the animals. It's totally up to you. You can also use the paint colors to make a background for your animals if you would like. For my lion, I'm going to use the yellow paint. Who do you think could carry more apples? Do you think a lion or a tiger or a dog? I'm gonna have my lion have the most apples. So my tiger has 4 apples. My lion has 5 apples. If my lion has the most apples, I want my dog to have the least apples. So to do that, I need to do less than 5 apples and less than 4 apples for my dog so that he has the least amount of apples. I'm going to give him 2 apples. If you want, you can rinse off your paintbrush and save it for another craft for another day and use it over and over again. Same with any leftover paint you have. You can keep it and use it for other activities. And once your paint dries, if you really want to get adventurous, you can write the numbers of the apples right on it with a black marker. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's craft. You can also use crayons to color our characters and put the stripes on the tiger and color the mane on the lion and the polka dots on the dog. There's so many options. So I hope you have fun with this, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!